cold and wet. I don't know what I was thinking coming out here today, but I'm just coming out here making a rain video for you guys. Oh well, it's easy to hydroplane on this road, as you can tell just by looking around. You can see all the water build up on the road, you know, as a band. But here we go. This car's going too slow for me. I'm eventually going to try to pass it. But what you expect, it's easy to hydroplane and bust your ass. Plain and simple. But you know what? It makes it worthwhile if you're a little adrenaline junkie to go ride out in the road. But it's better than dirt bikes to go mudding in the rain anyway. Get all dirty and whatnot. Oh man, that guy's just splashing with some heavy rain. Here I go, guys. Here I go. Woo! I almost lost it right there. Did you see my little tail spin? Oh, that was so much fun. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That was so much fun. Oh, that just gave my heart a little adrenaline jump. Hydroplaning on the wet roads in the rain. Hydroplane in the rain, man. Yeah. Wonder if that guy's going fishing up there. That'll be fun. Go fishing in the rain. It's actually a good time to go fishing. I love fishing. Yeah. Well, I'm just getting back from the hill country, you know, hitting some twisties, and then this rain came up, but oh well, it makes for a good riding video, I guess. I know all these other motovloggers don't like it being 40 degrees rain, so I'm like, you know what, I'll just stuff it out and show what a true Texan can do. Just ride in the cold rain, 40 degrees rain. Even if it's snowing, we ride. These other Texans are just like, it's so cold, it's 60 degrees. Why? And I'm like, I don't care, it's fun riding anyways. Might as well ride all day, every day. Yeah, ride all day, every day, everybody. Have some fun. I better catch up with this guy.